Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, titingnan natin dahil ngayon ay full moon in Virgo. So, ano yung mga marireceive natin ngayong full moon? Dahil full moon ngayon yung under ng sign ni Virgo. So, tingnan natin. So, we have here 5 of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, 10 of Cups, Judgment, 9 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Bottom card natin, 6 of Pentacles. So, tingnan muna natin anong message ng Archangel. So, parang sinasabi nyo na agad dito na I knew it. Ramdam nyo agad na mangyayari to. So, yung mga intuitions nyo ay talagang on point ngayon. Kung may mga hinihintay kayo, decision making, ipagpaliban nyo muna ito hanggang March 5. So, kung meron kayo matinding decision na paglalaanan ngayon, tigil nyo muna dahil leap year, ipagpaliban nyo hanggang March 5. Kasi kung ngayon nyo to pagdidesisyonan, magsisisi kayo. Ayan, with this 5 of Cups natin. Kung ano man tong decision making na to, ipagpaliban, yan ang pinakaano natin dito. So, we have here, Crystal Clear Intentions by Archangel Michael. So, be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. Lalo na kung tungkol to sa love life, prosperity, or finances, kung magpapapasok ka ng bagong tao sa buhay mo, hintayin mo muna matapos tong hanggang March 5. So, kung may sasagutin ka, manliligaw, or kung may nililigawan ka, ayan, so, ayan, wag kayong papasok kayo sa isang relasyon ngayon or malaking decision na pagdidesisyonan nyo ngayon. Kasi malaki ang posibilidad na madidisappoint ka. So, tingnan natin. So, use your intuition kasi malakas ang mo ngayon, pandama mo ngayon. So, you can feel it. Parang sana, I knew it. So, tama ang decision ko na wag muna. Ganon. Or pagpaliban muna. Okay. We have here music, coins, hourglass, ground, scissor, and healing crystals. So, kung ngayong araw na to, dahil full moon ngayon, okay lang na makipag-usap or kung may kumausap sa'yo bigla na matagal na kayong walang communication, it's okay. Pero after nito bukas sa isang araw hanggang March 5, wag muna, no? Lalo na kung may nagparamdam sa inyo bukas after ng full moon natin ngayon hanggang March 5. So, wag nyo muna silang replyan. I-ghost nyo muna yan. Okay, bottom card natin, Dal. Kasi dyan mo sila makikita. I-reveal niya yung mga tunay na intentions ng mga taong ito. During this period, may mga marireveal na intentions, lalo na kung karmic mo to. Ayan, marireveal yan. Kaya hayaan nyo muna sila or paghintayin nyo muna sila kasi kung maiinip sila, it's their loss, not yours. Okay? So, tingnan natin. I will fight for you. So, kung ready siya ipaglaban ka, go. Okay? So, kung makapaghintay siya, magandang sign yun para mapatunayan kung talagang crystal clear ba yung kanilang intentions towards you. You complete me. Talking to you telepathically, lalo na kung spiritual connection to. Business is business. You're my strength. Powerful and discipline. I want to grow old with you and you're my destiny. Kasi kung kayo talaga, mahihintay niya, no, yung respond mo or sabihin mo, hindi ka pa ready na ibigay yung decision mo. Can you forgive me, bottom card? Okay. So, tingnan natin more messages here. So, makakapaghintay yan. Ayan o, with this hourglass, makakapaghintay yan. Lalo na kung nasa stage ka ng no contact situation with your person. So, palipasin nyo muna itong leap year natin. Hanggang March 5, huwag nyo silang kausapin. Lalo na kapag nag-reach out sa'yo itong taong to na hinihintay mo within that period, tsaka ka na mag-reply, no? Sabi mo busy ka lang. Finding out the truth crushed me. You came closer than anyone. I wish I had treated you better. My life is not as together as it seems. I couldn't let you get close to me, so wag niyo munang palapitin to sa inyo. I want to be more than friends. I'm afraid to contact you. So, maaari nagpapalan na sila, kausapin ka. Pero sabihin niyo muna telepathically, wag muna ngayon. Ayan. And I left when I saw you with someone. Bottom card natin, I left you before you could leave me. So, kuha tayo ng initials. QC. Maring Quezon City. Ayan. So, ang dami natin nahulog na card. UP, pwedeng UP sa QC, UP Diliman. Wait, WON IL and bottom card. So, kuha tayo ng blue card natin dito. Passion and mirroring. And separation. So, ayan. Yung mga, kung kayo ay in separation with a soulmate or twin flame or kung sino man tong past person na ito, no contact situation kayo, cut off communication, ayan. So, maaaring magparamdam sila ngayon. Pwede kayong mag-reply kung ngayon sila mag-reach out during full moon. Pero after ng full moon, nag-reach out sila, nagparamdam sila. Ipagpaliban nyo muna hanggang matapos ang March 5. Ayan, hanggang March 5. Saka na kayo mag-reply sa kanila. So, kuha lang ako ng card dito. Ano bang meron natin? So, we have here April. Ayan. So, maaaring in April, may something na special moment with you and this person na hinihintay mo. And tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. Sarcastic, friendly, coins, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, number 7, sexy body, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, party animal, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, flower farm, Luzon, North PH, trustworthy, mirror, weird, need more sign, summer, green-minded, gorgeous, January, and chaser. So, yan na sila. Mga maghahabol na itong mga ito. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.